Hi, we're back now. We're gonna be doing a sister mukbang. So, how's your life going so far, Shayna?
Bad.
What's so bad about life?
Everything.
That's a mood. That's Max.
My devil.
Okay.
But he's trying to eat my bread. Oh my god.
Okay. So, are you excited for your birthday coming up? I mean, this is your birthday party, but are you excited for your birthday?
Yes.
To turn 9?
Yes.
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 Okay.
I've got birds.
What grade are you going to be in next year?
4th.
Are you excited for that?
Halfway.
Why only halfway?
Because they expect more. They think you can do everything perfectly.
My teachers expect a lot less from us. So they're like, you already went through all this, so like, yeah.
Because like 4th grade is the highest grade, and they think that they're the role model.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be me next year. I'm gonna be going into 8th grade. And that's the highest grade level in my school. So that's fun.
Won't come back.
What age are you turning?
I'm gonna be turning 13 soon.
Michael's already 13.
Can you get in camera? Like I feel like I'm just talking to nobody. There you go.
Sister Shayna is eating a very sour
White.
strawberry.
Very sour strawberry. So, how do you like your birthday party so far?
One second, I gotta grab silverware.
How do you like your birthday party so far?
It seems like a normal day so far.
That's a move.
The most part I like is cake.
There hasn't been one on when I started.
Cake and presents.
That'll be fun.
Please tell me this now, sister. So, sister, very sorry. But this sister right here does not like this sister Shayna. I think me and the other sisters are going to get sister ice cream today again.
How are you, Steve?
Good, doing good.
Good.
At night?
Yeah.
My mom might let me do that.
We're leaving tomorrow.
Same, I'm leaving early tomorrow morning.
Oh, I thought you said you wouldn't be here.
Well, I'm playing the night. I'm just leaving. So what is your opinions? Let's spill some tea. What is the opinions on all the other sisters?
They're very nice.
Who do you feel is the most annoying in the group?
Ari.
Who's the nicest in the group?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was actually like prepared for you to say like Cassidy or someone. I was not prepared for you to say me. Thank you.
You and Cassidy. You and the master.
Our lights are on still.
Let's go.
Yeah, Daddy never turned his off.
Bread.
Go find Picture.
You like bread, huh?
Yeah.
Life's great, isn't it?
Actually.
Happy. We just come into a weird like Q&A between me and you. Like we're not even looking at the camera anymore, but like still rolling.
I got stuck in my throat.
So what do you like to do for fun?
Play Roblox.
Do you do any sports?
I do flag football.
Flag football, anything else?
Cheerleading.
That's cool.
You're just waiting for me to say that, weren't you?
Okay. Alright. I think we're going to end it here. We'll let her finish eating so she doesn't choke on any more bread. But we'll come back to you in a little bit.